We'll guide you through how to fix the call failed error on your iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The call failed error can be super annoying, so let's get into some fixes. First of all, to make a call, you do need to have a SIM card installed, whether that be an eSIM or have it installed physically. Then what we can do is go to the top right, drag down on the battery icon and go over to the left. You can see we've got a carrier and we've got service. If you've got no service, that's another reason why you can't go and make a call and then it's failing. So what you can do is try turning on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and then go and turn it off. This will go and make your iPhone go and search for network and hopefully go and find some. If that still doesn't work, try changing location because it may be a reason why, and then seeing if you can go and make a call successfully. If that still isn't working, then what we're going to do is go and take out the SIM card and put it back in. So if you've got a case on, you'll need to remove it. Go and locate the SIM tray. It'll be on the side of your iPhone. It may be on the other, depending on your iPhone. But you can see it's a tray there. And all you need to do is get a SIM tool hole like so, and the tray will then go and pop out. And what you can then do is just go and remove it, and you can go and insert it again. Just make sure there's no sort of dust or any muck on it, which could be causing problems. After you've inserted it again, go and see if the problem is now fixed. If it still isn't, then what you can try doing is performing a restart on your iPhone. So what you can do is press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold down the power button. You'll go and see this screen here, but keep on holding down the power button, your phone screen will go black. Just like so, but keep on holding it down, and you should then see the Apple logo. At that point, release. After your iPhone has restarted, go and see if it will now go and make a call without failing. If it still is, then you should get in contact with your mobile carrier and go and see if they can help fix it. You could also try using a different SIM card in case it's the SIM card which has got the problem, and that will help identify if it's actually your phone or the SIM card. If it's definitely the SIM card, you can then get in touch with the carrier or just get a new one.